Bill Belichick moving on from the Patriots. I have a really good buddy who's a lifelong Patriots fan, and they won a lot of Super Bowls. I'm a Giants fan, right? Growing up in Connecticut, and we had our two victories there. Otherwise, Belichick would have probably had 8 Super Bowl wins, although some of them had some good fortune as well. Obviously, one of the second most winning coach of all time. And, 296 wins with the Patriots, 333 victories overall, 24 seasons, pretty incredible record. Not so great, though, without Brady, though, right? Under 500, a little bit of a dinosaur, very defensive-minded, didn't sort of adjust to the league changes and everything in the offense and how important it is. So, it made sense that it was time to move on. He wasn't really making the adjustments, probably a total control freak. That said, a pretty remarkable record and career, but also a little bit of a sourpuss too. So I'm going to see all sides of this thing. The Andy Reids of the world, the guys that are a little more, made adjustments, more offensive minded or whatever over time, they're probably going to outperform him, and certainly over the past 5 years. And again, without Brady, not so wonderful. So remarkable, pretty incredible career. And yet, even old dogs need to learn new tricks. Part of the reason I coach so many adolescent athletes is they're easier to guide than the adults who struggle to make changes as we go. So I'm inviting everybody not just to think about Belichick, but to think about growing, even though when you're older, change is hard. Take care.